Kia ora whānau, east side salute. Uncle A.Zee back in the kitchen with a lamb rack, a rack of lamb. That's how we doing it. And this came out of my own garden. Fresh mint, thyme, rosemary, salt and pepper, ground, onion and garlic fams. There's some olive oil, my lamb rack. I've got me a dish. My pan, I'm going to heat that up right now. So I'm going to get that pan nice and hot. And in the meantime, I'm going to season this lamb that I've left out to get to room temperature. I'm going to season it with that salt and pepper mix over there. Don't be shy to pat it down. Yeah. Flip them over, hit them on the other side as well. Meki. It's our rack of lamb seasoned, ready to go in. Wait for our pan to heat up and then we'll give it a blast with the olive oil. True fam, so I've got a decent amount of olive oil in the bottom of my pan there. That's going to help me sear it. I'm getting it hot as for my rack. I want to sear it, I want to do it really quick too. I want to just get some colour on it, sear it. That's the sound you want, not boiling, sizzling. So I'm going to sear that till we get some colour on both sides. Okay whānau, so we got our nice colour going on, it's getting golden as. I'm going to add those onions, garlic, mint, rosemary and thyme all to it now fams. Just right at the end, I'm going to add it all to it. I want to bombard it with flavours right at the end with that butter. And I'm just going to baste it in that for a couple minutes. True whānau, so she's coloured, all my onions are cooked, got goldenly, you know, she's good to go. I'm going to just jam that in a roasting dish and jam that in the oven for about 20 minutes on 200 degrees, 220 maybe, keep it nice and hot. This has got to be quick so you got some pink inside your lamb. So we're just going to cover it now fams, it's in the dish. I'm going to cover it with tin foil and we're going to jam it in the oven at 220 for about 10 minutes. Yeah. And here we go whānau, I'm just pulling them out of the stove. I'm just going to chuck them onto our plate with a bit of mint there from out of my garden. You don't want to overcook your lamb fams, you still want a little bit of pinkness in there, a little bit of pink in the meat. So I'm just going to put that on my plate and let it rest. Let it rest for about 2-3 minutes. Maybe 5, but yeah, I want to let it rest for a sec fams. Church, so the moment of truth whānau, let's go. Let's see how we look. Have we still got a bit of pink in there? I'm using my cleaver to get through. Oh, nearly lost it over the edge. There we go. Look at that. Here's our camera. There we go. Lightly pink in the middle fams, perfect. Perfect rack of lamb fams, Uncle A.Zee style, check that out. Perfect. Medium rare. Bit of mint out of my garden. East side forever. Give that recipe a whirl. You won't be mad. Remember to let it sit for, yeah, about 5 minutes, fams. East.